Hi, I'm Tracy Murphy with Trademark Interiors, and we're at our design studio. And today we're going to talk about awkward spaces in your home. Sophie is here to help us today because she kind of fits in with our first point, which is if you have a really awkward space in your home, one key point to think of is keeping it very monochromatic. So keeping the color palette all very consistent is key. So here on the table, here's an example of an area rug, wall color, a chair fabric, some drapery, wallpaper perhaps, a metal finish for lighting, but all light and neutral. And Sophie goes right along with it too, so that works out well. So what this will do is kind of keep your eye kind of milling around the room and not focusing maybe on a particularly awkward point of the space, whether it's the layout or a window placement or anything like that. So very quiet in color, monochromatic, helps to work through that. So that's one tip. The other tip is perhaps doing modular pieces of furniture. And by modular, what I mean by that are pieces that can be taken apart and put back together in other ways. So that may be a desk surface with drawers that has a top that you can move around. I've seen recently perhaps a chair that flips over into an exercise piece of equipment. So keeping it all very flexible will help you kind of maneuver the space really well. Another great point is to do a custom piece. So a built-in, whether that's a hard piece like a bookcase or a desk or something like that, or upholstery, so something soft to sit on. But if it's an awkward space, sometimes you need to customize it, and that could be a DIY thing, or it could be done by a professional as well. So those are 3 great tips to help with your awkward space. I wish you great luck and have fun.